Hello everyone. Welcome to our new session. This is your mentor Shashank and topic for today will be cold, warm and hot traffic. So let's begin. First, a little recap from the session 1. We are aware of this marketing funnel, right? Awareness, interest, consideration, intent, evaluation and purchase. And here it is called in short tofu, that is top of the funnel, MOFU, that is middle of the funnel, and BOFU, that is bottom of the funnel. Okay, so this two, awareness and interest, comes in top of the funnel. Okay, then consideration and intent comes in the middle of the funnel, and evaluation and purchase comes in the bottom of the funnel. Okay, now you have to remember this while we go ahead on the topic. So first, cold traffic. Many users click on your ads purely on the promise that you have made in that copy. Most likely, they have searched for generic head or body keywords and are interested in learning more about the problem rather than available solutions. That means that these are the traffic or these are the users who are there searching for some problem or searching for some keywords, and they have landed on your website either because you have an advertisement out there and you have some content out there, and due to that content they are on your website, but it is not necessary that they are looking for you, they know about you, right? Their decision to visit your site therefore wasn't rooted in any prior knowledge or experience with your brand. That's cold traffic, right? So they have not known about you. They just landed on a website and then they got to know about you. They have no prior knowledge about you. Okay. So cold traffic consists of people who have never heard of your business. Okay. That is a cold traffic. Now you should target cold traffic to introduce your brand or products. Okay. Then begin building a relationship with them in an effort to turn them into warm or hot traffic. Learn as much as possible about them by monitoring their behavior on the site. Use conversion tracking pixel to monitor their behavior and then target more relevant ads to convert them into warm and hot traffic, right? So let's go back to our first slide, right? Awareness and interest. This too is covered in the cold traffic, right? Because when are you making the people aware when they have not heard of you? Okay, it is the first time they are looking at a website, they're looking at your products, right? And interest, that means either their interest has made it possible for them to search about the products and services you are offering. Okay, so this type of traffic or this type of people are in top of the funnel in awareness and interest phase, right? The most effective way to warm up traffic is to attract those visitors to a page offering a lead magnet, okay, or other free resources they perceive as valuable enough to submit their personal detail in return for it. Okay, so when will I give you my details? When you can give me something which is of similar value in return, right? So that's why what will happen is we use lead magnets. So lead magnets are basically resources for which you are very eager to give your personal details. For example, you visit a website and it shows you that subscribe to our newsletter and give and get 25% off on our first order. Okay, so what will in the exchange of 25% discount coupon, you are ready to trade off your email ID for them. So what will happen is You place your first order to try the products, and in exchange they get your email id through which they can send you emails, they can send you more data, right? And sometimes it would happen that you would use the 25% coupon, sometimes you won't use. Okay, but they got your email id, right? So that is a lead magnet. Then what else? You go to some website where they offer you some knowledgeable content. Okay, free pdfs, uh, handbook, something like that. And there they ask for your email id to send the pdf directly to your inbox. Okay, and for that handbook or for that pdf you submit your email id. So that is a lead magnet. So anything that would attract you or make that offer attractive enough to submit your personal details in exchange of something, right? So that thing which a business offers to its customers for submitting their detail is a lead magnet. Now, what is a warm traffic? Okay, so warm traffic consists of people who already know about you, your brand, products, or services. Okay, they may have visited your site before, they have read your content, they have followed you on Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platform. Okay, so perhaps they have signed up for your mailing list, downloaded a lead magnet, or engaged with you in some other way. Okay, but so far they have indicated no interest in buying from you. Okay, so now, in spite of the fact that they like your content, site, or offer, so far they haven't purchased whatever it is that you have offered them. Okay, so you have seen the flea markets, right? So when you enter a flea market, you are a cold traffic. Okay, and you know about no sellers, vendors selling there. Okay, you are just going and checking. Okay, so you are a cold traffic searching on the internet, but whatever they have hanged outside them shop, you see it. Okay, and some shopkeepers start calling you out with this is the offer, this is the offer, this is the offer, get something in hundreds, get something in 200s, get something in 500. So now you are listening to the value propositions, and while listening you go to a shop to check out what is the product. So as soon as you interact with a shopkeeper or start to check out their product, what happens? From cold traffic you become a warm traffic. Okay, that you look at their products. After looking at their products, what will happen? You will show interest in buying, and then you become the hot traffic. So we'll gradually move from warm traffic to hot traffic. Let's go ahead. So in warm traffic, your goal therefore is to run ads that will encourage warm traffic to make a purchase. Okay. What happens with warm traffic? So you should drive warm traffic to such content type as lead magnets, ebook, white papers, etc., product demos, webinars, free tools, free trial sign up pages, events, offers, etc. Okay. So what happens in the flea market? You go and shopkeeper says to you that this product is for this. Come check this out. Check this out. भैया आओ ये देख लो. Okay. So this happens to make the cold traffic as warm traffic. Okay, that they call you out to make you check the product. They don't ask you to directly buy them. Okay, now the hot traffic. So hot traffic is all about sales. Hot traffic is made of people who have already bought something from you or trusted you with their business and didn't ask for the money back. In other words, they know you, your products and services quite well, and there's a good chance that they will buy more. They could purchase additional products, upgrade their service, or send more projects your way. And you can use PPC ads to follow up with them to see if they're interested in doing more business with you, right? So same the flea market example. So now when you are looking at the product, you ask, what is the price for this? That means now you have considered the product and you want to buy it. Okay, let's come back to slide one. What happened? Awareness and interest developed while you are walking on the streets. Then what happened? You considered some products and offers. Then you went inside the store to check, or on their shop to check what is there. Okay, and you start looking at the product. So now you have an intent. Now as soon as you ask the price, your intent grows. And then what happens? You ask price for 2 3 more products, right? So you are evaluating, because there is multiple option, you like multiple things, but you have to take one of them. So you are evaluating them on the basis of the price. Okay, and at last you settle for one and make the purchase. So here in this phase, you are a warm traffic, hot traffic, right? Because you have already shown interest in buying and doing more business with them, right? That means you're asking them for their products, right? So this is how you turn from cold to warm to hot traffic, right? Therefore, your goals for targeting hot traffic should be to upsell. That means you should try to get them to buy from you again, and ideally to purchase a more expensive item or service than before, right? What else? Like, take the same example of the flea market. So suppose you have bought a t-shirt for 300 rupees, and now what will shopkeeper do? So we have more stocks like this. You want to see this one is not more priced. This one is 500. This one is 600. Okay, this product you will get nowhere. So just see once. So what will happen? Now once you have selected a product, shopkeeper will want you to upsell the product. Okay, now give you a more expensive product. So that is what you have to do with the hot traffic as well. To re-engage with you, you should also aim to reactivate customers who haven't bought from you for a long time and get them to do business with you again. Okay, so in online world you can re-engage, but how does the shopkeeper re-engages? Sometimes they give you their visiting cards. So this is the visiting card. If you need anything, call us back again. Why? Because if you don't have the contact of the person, then maybe you will end up to some other shops, right? So this is what happens when setting up PPC for this traffic. Send them to sales page, landing page, product pages, offer pages, and service pages. Why? Because they already trust you, right? They have already bought from you. Now what you have to do is you have to send them to a page where they can see your product and make the transaction. Now they don't want to know more about you, they have already trusted you, right? So this is the difference between cold, warm, and hot traffic. And while understanding this, you should always keep this in mind about awareness, interest, consideration, intent, evaluation, and purchase, and where your current audience lies. Okay, and you have to treat all those audience in a different way. Awareness and interest phase is a different, consideration and intent is different, evaluation and purchase phases are different, right? So this was all about cold, warm, and hot traffic. Thank you guys. See you again in the next session. Bye bye. Have a nice day.